You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this name, once and for all, correctly. Yes, I know this is a name from geology generally. If you want to learn more names from geology that are confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. There are different pronunciations in English, 2 in English and 1/3 in German. So in German it's Loess, and it's pronounced, it comes from German, so Loess would be a good pronunciation. Some in English say less to mimic the German pronunciation. Now in English it's generally acknowledged that there are 2 different pronunciations that are slightly different: Loess, Loess, or Loess, which is really good. So you have 3 different pronunciations: Loess, Loess, or Loess. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.